This is a set of black and pink SIM keycaps. The whole set of keycaps only black and pink. This is the keycap for the PBT material. Let's look at the personality keycap. It has a lot of elements. And then there are some supplementary keycaps. There are a total of 189 keycaps in this set. Then look at the light transmittance effect of the keycaps. It's opaque, so it doesn't look harsh. Let's look at the spacebar cap. Spacebar cap is flat, there will be no seesaw situation. This is a set of light yellow, light purple, light pink 3 kinds of color matching keycap. PBT material keycap. This keycap has no personal keys, there are many supplementary keys. Let's look at the light transmission. This one is translucent, it's nice to see. Try another one. This one is opaque. This is a little bit of a translucency. Very flat, there will be no seesaw phenomenon. This is a very bright set of keycaps. There are 4 colors: red, yellow, blue and green. This is also the PBT keycap. The personality keycap is composed of a Lego element. The personality keycap is opaque. The red ones are light permeable. Blue is opaque. Wow, the yellow one is so nice. There is a big spacebar cap and a little spacebar cap. It's all very flat.